Mom, I'm hungry, but the refrigerator is empty.
Hi, Victor. I need to talk to you. Unfortunately, I have to let you go.
What? I'm fired? No, please. My wife is very sick and needs immediate surgery. I have 2 kids to feed. Please.
I'm sorry, but the decision is final.
Max, is Mommy going to be okay?
I think she will. Dad has a job, so he will pay for her surgery, for Mom to get better.
Okay.
My wife is sick. We have no food, and now I lost my job. What am I going to do?
Hello?
Hi, this is Sarah from Dr. Smith's office. We've been waiting for the deposit to keep your surgery appointment open, but since we haven't received it, we will have to cancel.
Please don't cancel it. I'm in so much pain, and I really need this surgery. My husband will make the payment after 1 more week of work. Can you please give us just a little more time?
I'm really sorry, but it's our policy. We can't extend any more days.
Please, I beg you.
I truly wish I could help, but we have to follow the policy. I'm very sorry.
I understand.
Why is this so tight? Ouch, that hurt.
Sir, do you need help?
Yes, please. I got a flat tire, so I am trying to replace it with my spare tire.
Okay, no problem. Let me help you. All done, sir.
Thank you so much. How much do I owe you?
Don't worry about it. You owe me nothing.
Really? Thank you. You are so kind. Can I offer you a ride home at least?
I would appreciate that. It's a long walk in the rain.
What a day it's been for me. How was your day, by the way?
I lost my job, and I really couldn't afford to because my wife is sick and needs surgery.
That's terrible. What kind of surgery does she need?
In her kidney. It's quite serious. We can't afford it.
I'm actually a surgeon. I can help your wife.
Really?
You were so kind to stop on a rainy day to help me change my tire. Even though you're going through a difficult time with losing your job and your wife being sick. That says a lot about the kind of person you are.
I can't believe this. Wow. Thank you so much.
Just leave me your phone number before you leave, and we will schedule an appointment immediately.
My love, we have been blessed.
How are we blessed? They canceled my appointment. I don't see how things could get any worse.
Listen to this. On my way home, I met a doctor. He's a surgeon and offered to help you because I stopped to help him with his car in the rain. Everything is going to be all right.
Really? A surgeon? I can't believe it. After everything that's happened, it feels like a miracle.
Yes, it is. God answered our prayers. Come here. Give me a hug.
I was so scared. I thought we had lost all hope.
We are going to make it through this together. You know, sometimes helping others without expecting anything in return goes unnoticed. But blessings often come when you least expect them. Today, I learned that acts of kindness can bring miracles into our lives. Never underestimate the power of a good deed.